welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys Butternut AI. Use this AI platform to build your dream website in seconds with prompts without any coding. That's what they do. You can create a website within the 20 seconds. That's what the software is claiming. And the process should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the Butternut in a second. Now I just want to introduce that on the AppSumo because on the AppSumo you have $59 for tier one. Okay, it's a lifetime deal, as we all know. AppSumo is actually offering the lifetime deals products. Okay, so instead of paying monthly bills, you'll be paying just once off. Okay, so for tier one for $59, and the features which they will be presenting for this amount is a AI-driven design tailored to your business, unlimited AI-powered content and image generation, unlimited edits and regenerations, advanced SEO optimizations, mobile, tablet, laptop compatible to websites, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's for 59. If you want to go and push to license tier 2 for 159, so all the features which they have above, okay, plus you can do 3 live websites and link up to 3 custom domains. Here you can only do one of each, right? Hosting per site 100 gigabytes, and here 10 gigabytes, and 10 AI generated blog posts per month for tier 1, and unlimited for tier 2, and 200 AI agents queries per month for tier 1, and unlimited for tier 2. WhatsApp integration and custom code embedding. Okay, so means that for tier 2 you can you can really see the difference. All right, tier 1 very basic, but tier 2 you can see, and you can really start hosting your website. Okay, and bear in mind, once again, it's a lifetime deal. You don't have to pay anything on a monthly basis. It's everything been there for you for $159 for tier 2. Okay, so let's jump quickly into the Butternut AI. Pretty straightforward process. You just sign in with your email address if you wish to do so. Create your own password. Make sure that it's a strong one. I think they are limited with the 15 digits. It's yeah, some people they prefer to have a longer passwords, but for purposes of showing you this software, that was absolutely fine. But I highly encourage you to make sure that your password is very strong. Okay, so now what we need to do is just to create. Okay, and what it comes up with, we just have to put our name. And so let's say that we want to do the garden. Okay, and what is it we want to be doing, and there's a quick description about our business, our new website. And those two things you need to go ahead and start creating. Okay, few languages available here. Okay, but we stick to the English. Let's go and click generate. And now let's go quickly into the AppSumo, because on the AppSumo, and let's go and see what is it they are also offering here. Okay, lifetime access to Butternut AI, aka AI future start plan app, all future starter plan updates. If plan name changes, deal will be managed. Okay, so everything is a standard procedure when it comes to those AppSumo deals. Okay, that's fine. As I said, the biggest advantage you will have if you choose the tier 2. But look, if every one of you guys was in a previous time, hosting some websites, you know that it comes out very pretty expensive if you want to do it on a monthly basis. Here you're paying once off, and you'll be having your fully functional website within the seconds. Like this one, for example. Look, it didn't take long. It took only a few seconds, and it's already there. Okay, so now what you can do, you can add the page if you wish to do so. You can add few different pages like services, clients, contact us, gallery, everything else. We can regenerate. If you don't like this creation, you can just simply click and regenerate, and that will also present you with the other view. Okay, you can change the theme. Okay, let's say that you don't like the coloring, you can always change the coloring. That's simple as that. It's absolutely no hassle. With this software. Okay, you can do definitely the way you like it. Okay, you can go and do some tutorial if you wish to do so. Okay, read and tutorials. Those tutorials are available here for you guys. If you stuck on the stage, you can go ahead and just click this tutorial part, and this will show you what to do next. Right, preview. That's how your website is looking right now after a few seconds of creation, and you already have a fully functional website. There's even some sort of phone number, some sort of like a random address, and explore a gardening block. There's some sort of stats, though obviously they're all random ones. Okay, so there and even some random email address was generated for you. You want to go ahead and do some those changes. Okay, so here everything is there for you: about page, gallery page. Look, all the pictures are already there. Some of those pictures are obviously not there, in referring to the gardening. Okay, but definitely that's no problem. You can regenerate the image with AI. You just simply go ahead and you can put like what you want to do with it. Okay, you can want to do the garden, then you can add, and this will regenerate the image to match the description. Okay, same here and here. Okay, you can do it or yourself. That's no problem at all. So, and also you can do some changes on it. And let's say that you don't like this website, you just go and regenerate one, and it will be shown if, under the new view. Okay, you can do everything. You can edit this part. This page here, you can remove its part, you can add some additional text, save changes, and that will be changed for you in no time. So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. Okay, if you are interesting, I'll be leaving the link into the appsumo deal here. Okay, any questions, leave it down below.